figured it could be a lot better. Yeah, it could be a lot better, but that's okay. For today, I don't know what we are up to for today. So probably church, and then we're gonna come home and relax for a bit. And then we got a couple of things to do, or errands that we gotta run later. So, ooh, sorry, I'm gonna go do that. Yeah, it's very early in the morning, so I just get up. I can't go back to bed. So, get up and about to go do what I need to get done and get ready and get out of here. So, I just wanted to come by and tell you guys good morning. Hey guys, I am back. Yes, I am actually on my way to an event with my girlfriend, so I'm happy he's just about to drop me off. So that's where I'm off to. I said I would come out and do a little bit of vlogging to show you guys what's up. So yeah, so I'm actually on my way there now. Guess what we wake up to this morning? We woke up to this morning. Do you see the snow everywhere? Oh my God, keen to move for the new year. So we're going to go look at some houses today and see what we can find. Yeah, I need a change of scenery. We've outgrown our place, so we need a bigger place because where we are, it's just too small and cramped. So we are actually trying to move, hopefully, for within the new year. We're just gonna go look at a couple of places, yeah, and take you guys along. And after that, we have a few errands that we have to run. So far the day has been good. Been crazy snow, but hopefully it's melting. Alright babes, hopefully it's melting. Need a quick food stop. Yes. I am hungry. I've been eating anything from morning, and what time is it now? It's 4 o'clock. So I'm having my first meal for the day. Babe, is the car open? Yes, Popeyes. Popeyes is what it is. Right now, Popeyes is the best, the better, because KFC can't eat. Sorry to say. KFC up here cannot eat. Gotta wait till I go to Jamaica to go get me some real, what they call KFC, some real KFC. So we have reached where we're going, and we're still out here. Yeah, we went and looked at a few places, and now it is dark. See how it's nighttime? Skies are blue. And look, oh, I forget at Christmas time, that's why you see so much people on the road. You realize how busy the place is, babes? Garden yard. People are spend all them card them to max out. All them card them maxing out. Oh, look at the baby bump. Oh. Yes. Stocking up on Patsy. I got a whole cart full. Yeah, say hello. With your big babies. Hey guys, so we just got back home. Oh my goodness, what a long day. I've been out since this morning running errands. So now we're back. Yeah. And it's so cold outside. Look at my baby up there.
This is my baby.
Big
it's
baby.
So big. You gonna go to daycare? You gonna behave yourself, okay?
Oh gosh, so we're about to go make something quick for dinner. Probably not too much. Maybe just throw on some fries or something. And wings. Yeah, the kids don't want wings again, unfortunately. So maybe I'll do that. So, and yeah, we're probably just gonna relax. It's Saturday night and watch some movie.
It's game night. You're supposed to be playing Monopoly.
I know every night you have game night, you need to play Monopoly. So yeah, I'm gonna get myself together.
Remember the last family night?
Possibly take a shower and get back to you guys. When I have to back out, I just threw some wings in the oven, and I am making this because the kids said they wanted it and some wings. They don't want nothing too much for dinner, so I am just doing that right now. I've never made it before, so something new. It's something new. So, but yeah, we're just gonna be relaxing for the night, not doing too much. I'll probably start studying, doing some study because I have an exam on Monday, so I gotta study for that. But yeah, I'm just here mixing my product in the bowl. And I just packed out a bunch of stuff and I got laundry to do, so gonna finish the laundry. I didn't finish laundry yesterday because I had other things I was doing. So I'm gonna finish the laundry just a little bit. And tonight's my last night with my hubby. My hubby's leaving. Oh my. He's leaving me. Hang out. And by tomorrow evening, he will be gone. He will be gone. So yeah guys, I'm not doing much. I'm just doing this. I was trying to do a another mukbang for you guys on our LDR relationship. I'm hoping to actually get it done. So, but we will see how that goes. According to him, he couldn't do it because he had food in his mouth and he can't talk with his mouth full. So that was his excuse. So I was like, okay, I'll let it slide. So, but we started the video, but we're going to finish it. So stay tuned for that mukbang. That will be coming out. That will probably be one of our Christmas vlogs. That will be coming out. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. So I'm just gonna do this and roll them and put them on. And yeah, I'll be back shortly. Right, so dinner is finished. My stuff didn't turn out as good, but that's okay, as long as they taste good. So my chicken wings are finished, and this is what my stuff look like. I'm gonna taste it. Don't taste bad. Don't taste bad at all. They don't taste bad. They kind of taste. Lipstick. He was wearing lipstick. Don't touch anything. My name friends. Hello, it's not my food for me to give to you. So how you wanna touch it? Memphis? Do you hear what I say? I mean, you could have one little more. Mario! So Memphis in here, eat out your food. I like that. Memphis in here, eat out your food. Yeah, your food. Okay.
Free food.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Are you really up? No, sir, you have one bad. And it's too good enough because I'm cold.
Where did that piece in?
In the microwave, I just put it in.
Worst thing that time, okay? 1, 2.
You want rice with it? You guys want rice?
Somebody made something.
Oh, the biscuits that I made.
Oh, yeah, they really have.
Taste them. They actually taste good, but they're wet.
There you are.
I'm just
Because my name put them up properly.
So you really have a pan camera and kill him?
Yeah, kill him back camera. We are going to clean like a pig.
This is not easy. You set me up.
You know, it's an empty box again, you know.
Where go with the syrup?
Want to taste the video?
Really?
Are you at tease here, me?
Come and get it.
Is over there? When you want?
That's the new one. It's in the fridge.
Let's go see some super.
I'm done. I'm hungry.
You come out of the kitchen.
Why are you around in here at one time?
Oh, what a...
Syrup, lime.
That looks disgusting.
It's not disgusting.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. What's for dinner?
So the dinner is there.
Where?
You guys want rice and salad? Or you could have salad. There's rice, salad, and the wings I made.
Really, Bibbs?
Thank you, Daddy.
No, so when I go for that. Oh. No, never come in here. Come to the kitchen. Here. Right here. This is hot enough?
Yes, Daddy.
What do you mean, my bun them up? No, I'm not bun them up. So, what are you gonna eat? Rice?
Rice and chicken. And what if I'm done? Can I get salad?
What do you give that little smile, babe? Yeah, baby?
I guess so.
Daddy's a baby. Daddy's a baby.
I guess so.
Mommy, Memphis smelled the vitamins. And you said they smell disgusting.
No.
They're good. Mommy, what? Mommy, I want.
I wouldn't name that.
I know. I'm about to have some of this acid. Gonna burn out my stomach. So, yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna end up closing up the vlog. We're just going to go eat. And what is it? We're going to go eat and going to watch a movie. So yeah, that's pretty much it for our Saturday night. And yes, happy Vlogmas, guys. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. It's my last night hanging out with my hubby. He's leaving me tomorrow, at least tomorrow evening. So I just kind of want to relax, enjoy his company because he's gonna be gone tomorrow. So, and I'm gonna miss him. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 9. Yeah, this is Vlogmas Day 8.
Mommy, what's for
I'll talk to you
drink?
later. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Good night.
Morning, y'all. Yes, I am up bright and early, ready for my class. I got my first exam today, so I am actually about to head out to go write my exam. Only 2 hours, so I can't wait. Then I can come home, well, maybe sleep. You don't want them. Come up and help.